Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to cancel physician mutual dental insurance. So all steps you can see on your screen. So first of all, as you can see, you need to contact with the customer support team. So you need to dial this number. As you can see on your screen, this is the number on the top side of your window. You can see like there, you can see over here, this is the number, and you need to dial this number. And once you get connected, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your dental insurance, and they will guide you each and every steps, and they will cancel your insurance via online. And first make sure that when you have done each and every step, make sure you need to ask for proof of cancellation. And once you done each and every step, that's it. So by using this method, you can easily cancel your physician mutual dental insurance. If you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.